Good day, grade sixes. It's lovely to speak to you in your homes this morning, and I hope that you are well rested and excited about the new term and a new way of learning. This new way of studying and learning is going to require you to be excited, to be brave, responsible, and well disciplined. And if you are listening to this presentation now or viewing it means that you are exactly that. You are excited, you are brave, you are being responsible and disciplined. So well done, boys and girls. I'm extremely proud of you. This term we are going to focus a lot on poetry and also on the different types of poetry. Now there's many different types of poetry. Nursery rhymes, limericks, sonnets, Italian sonnets, Shakespearean sonnets, haikus, ballads, concrete poems, and each of these formats has its own specific rules. And for you to be able to write a ballet or a limerick or nursery rhyme, you need to understand what the different formats look like and what the rules are for each one of these formats. Now we're going to focus this term on the following types of poems: acrostic poems, concrete poems, and limericks. Let's start with an acrostic poem. Now it sounds very difficult, but it's really one of the easiest and most fun poems to write. And I'm going to start off by reading the poem on the left-hand side. Steve the snowman, nose made from a carrot, orange and bright on a dark wintry night, wearing a warm woolly scarf, melting, all alone. Now he is gone. All right, so the first thing that you will notice is that in an acrostic poem, the first letter of each line spells out a specific word. In this case, it spells out snowman. It spells out what the poem is about. Usually, the first letter is capitalized or it's a different color to see the word spelled out vertically easily. Acrostics are easy to write because they don't need a specific rhyme scheme and they also don't need a specific rhythm. So each line can be as long or as short as you want it to be. Pay careful attention though, although there's not a lot of rules about the rhyme or the rhythm, it's still important that you are mindful of your language use and of your descriptive words. In this poem, they use lovely descriptive words. Orange and bright on a dark wintry night, wearing a warm woolly scarf. So don't forget to be creative about your word choice. So here are the steps to follow when writing an acrostic poem. You first need to decide what to write about. Keep in mind the theme of your anthology. Then you need to write your word down vertically. Right, so if you are going to write about dolphins, you write dolphins on the left-hand side, or llama, or storm, or whatever your topic word is. Then you're going to brainstorm words or phrases that describes your idea. Number 4, you're going to place your brainstormed words or phrases on the lines that begin with the same letter. And finally, you will fill in the rest of the lines to create a poem. So this is how I would go about writing an acrostic poem. Step 1. You need to decide what you're going to write about. Remember to keep your theme for your anthology in mind. My theme is ocean creatures, and I've decided to write about dolphins. Once I've made this decision, I'm going to write down the word dolphin on the side of my page vertically.
Step 3 would then be to brainstorm ideas and words and thoughts that I might have about what would describe a dolphin. Okay, so when I think about dolphins, I think about dimples. I think they are delightful creatures. They are also ocean creatures. They are always smiling. They're happy. They play. And they leap. They play in the waves. I also think about Neptune, the Greek god of the oceans, and mermaids. And pearls. Yeah, I'm going to settle for those. You get the idea. You can brainstorm as many ideas as you'd like. You can also use a dictionary to find words or describing words that matches the words in your topic word. Right. Now, step 4 and 5 often happens at the same time. This is where you look for words in your brainstorm ideas, and you try to match words with the letters in the topic. Alright, so let's get started. A D. I've got dimples, I've got delightful, and I think that's what I'm going to use. Delightful. So anything with an O here? Yes, ocean creatures, creature. Lily L. I've got leap, okay, leap or love, maybe delightful ocean creature, leaping. And do I have anything for P? Yes, I do. Leaping playfully. And do I have anything with an H here? Yes, happy. Playfully, happily. Now, an I is sometimes difficult to find one word or describing with an I, but I do have in the waves here. Happily, in and out of waves. And then the N, oh yeah, here we've got Neptune. Neptune, and I'm sure dolphins must be a favorite of Neptune. Neptune's favorite child. Okay, let's see if this poem makes sense. Let's read it together. Delightful ocean creature, leaping playfully, happily, in and out of waves. Neptune's favorite child.
Alright, boys and girls, so your homework for lesson 1 is the following. You need to design the cover page for your anthology. Remember, your anthology needs to be have a theme, and all 3 of the poems that's going to be included in your anthology needs to be within that theme. So firstly, design the cover page for that anthology on an A4 paper. Then you also need to write the acrostic poem that you're going to include in your anthology. Feel free to add a picture to your poem and use the checklist on the right to make sure that you have everything you should have when writing an acrostic poem. Just a general note about homework, boys and girls, grade 6s, is that if there's any worksheets involved and you for some or other reason can't print the worksheets at home, you are welcome to do the answers in your green language book or on any other piece of paper. Just keep them safe so that when the school starts, you have all of the work with you. Enjoy the day.